Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your vacations. Now we will discuss about the summer pack. I'll give you some instructions about the summer work of science subject. Activity number 1 is match the description to the correct kingdom. Here you have to read the description and match the description with the correct kingdom. Students, here in the kingdom names, there are two kingdom fungi. The above kingdom fungi is incorrect. Here you have to write kingdom protista. Activity 2 is read the statement, then tick the appropriate column next to it. Statements are given to you. For example, first statement is it has scales and fins. You have to mark the box where you think that the statement is related to that group. It is given in your textbook in the chapter. You can also take help from your book. Next, activity 3 is write the group to which each animal belongs and justify your answer with correct reason. Animals from different groups are given to you. You have to write the group name, and I know this because you have to write the reason that how you know that this animal is related to that group. Activity 4 is look at the images and write similarities and differences between them. You have to write the same things and different things in these pictures. First, you are given two types of fishes. You have to write similarities which things are same in both type of fishes, and then you have to write the differences between those type of fishes. Pictures given below, you also have to write the similarities and differences between those types of insects. Activity 5 is classify the plants below as flowering or non-flowering plants. You are given many types of flowers plants. You have to separate flowering plants and non-flowering plants in the boxes given below. Activity 6 is your project work, which will be discussed separately with you. In the activity 7, classify the following microorganisms and their products into the table below. Here are some microorganisms. You have to write that which organism is helpful to you and which organism is harmful, or some microorganisms are helpful and harmful both. You have to separate that all microorganisms. Next question is name four things that are necessary for us to stay healthy. You have to write four steps which are used to stay healthy. This question is written in your textbook in the exercise. Next is write effects of decomposition. This question is also written on your textbook in the exercise of this chapter. In the activity 8, you have to do some practical work. Instructions are self-internet or consult textbook. Read the introduction carefully. You have to read this introduction, fungi, bacteria, and virus definitions. Next, your experiment is take a moist piece of bread and place it in airy place. Observe it after few days. You have to put this bread piece for almost 5 days in the airy place. Observe the mold grown on piece of bread. Record where does it mold comes from. You have to observe that how this mold comes on the piece of bread and write your observation in the lines given below. Activity 9 is ways of staying healthy. Design a poster on ways of staying healthy. Include the following points. What are the various ways by which we can prevent diseases, and list any 10 ways. Draw and paste relevant pictures. You have to make a poster on chart where you will tell about the various ways about how can we prevent from diseases. Write any 10 ways and also paste relevant pictures for staying healthy. Next question is imagine yourself as a nutritionist and make a 7 days healthy diet plan. Here you have given a table and 7 days of week. You have to make a timetable for your healthy diet plan. You have to complete this table with your own. Activity 10 is also your work of poster making. What is COVID-19? You have some instructions and information about COVID-19. Next, you have to draw an image of COVID-19 bug. For example, COVID-19 virus. You have to draw the diagram. Next, you have to discuss with your teacher and family about COVID-19, that what is COVID-19. You have to design a poster keeping in view the following points: introduction and its origin, symptoms, precautionary measures. You have to complete this poster and submit your teacher. Activity 11 is about awareness of dengue fever. You are given some information about dengue fever and Also, there are some links where you can get information about dengue fever and conduct a campaign about dengue fever and aware others about it and their symptoms. This was the complete instruction about the subject of science. You have to do this work carefully and also take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.